Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for home lovers. The biggest home design trends of 2025 that are designer approved. Whether you're planning a complete home makeover or just want to refresh your space, these trends will inspire you. And the best part? Many of these updates are budget-friendly and easy to implement. Interior design is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the trends can help keep your home looking fresh and modern. This year, we are seeing a mix of bold, expressive styles combined with practical and sustainable choices. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's explore the must-have home trends that will dominate 2025. 1. Warm embrace, earthy and inviting neutrals say goodbye to the cool grays of recent years, and hello to the comforting embrace of warm, earthy tones. 2025 is all about creating a sense of coziness and relaxation with colors like rich beiges, warm taupes, terracotta, and calming olive green. These hues add depth and sophistication, making your home feel stylish yet inviting. Their versatility allows them to seamlessly blend with various design styles, from modern farmhouse to bohemian chic. 1. Easy way to add this trend. Textiles are your secret weapon. 1. Swap out cool-toned pillows and throws for warmer hues. 1. A fresh coat of paint on an accent wall can make a huge impact. 1. Even small touches like natural fiber baskets or wooden decor can elevate the look. 2. The fifth wall, reimagined. Statement ceilings. Ceilings are no longer an afterthought. In 2025, they're becoming a focal point. Statement ceilings are turning heads, transforming the often neglected fifth wall into a canvas for creativity. Think textured wallpaper, exposed beams, dramatic lighting, or a bold color. A well-designed ceiling adds depth, dimension, and a touch of grandeur, offering a unique opportunity to express your style. 1. How to try it. Feeling bold? 1. Apply textured wallpaper to your ceiling. 1. Peel and stick options make it easier than ever. 1. Or upgrade your lighting with a statement chandelier or pendant light to draw the eye upward and create a focal point. 3. Timeless treasures, vintage and antique accents. The mix of old and new continues to be a defining trend. Designers are incorporating vintage and antique pieces to add character, charm, and a sense of history. These pieces bring soul and individuality to your home, telling a story and reflecting your unique taste. Whether it is a restored dresser, a vintage rug, or a collection of antique mirrors, these accents add warmth, authenticity, and a touch of the past to your present. 1. How to achieve this look. Explore thrift stores, flea markets, and online vintage shops for unique finds. 1. Look for pieces that resonate with you and that you can seamlessly integrate into your existing decor. 1. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles and eras for an eclectic vibe. 4. Nature's masterpiece. Bold stone and marble patterns. Marble and stone are still in, but in 2025, we're seeing bolder, more dramatic patterns. Think deep veining, richer colors, and unique textures. These striking designs add a touch of luxury and sophistication, making any space feel high-end. Whether it's a kitchen island with a dramatically veined marble countertop or a bathroom with a backsplash of uniquely textured stone, these natural elements bring artistry and elegance. 1. Budget-friendly alternative. Real marble can be pricey. 1. Marble Effect Peel and Stick Film offers a budget-friendly way to achieve the same look. 1. Faux marble decor items are also readily available, providing a luxurious aesthetic without the hefty price tag. 5. Soft curves. Curved and soft-edge furniture. Sharp, boxy furniture is out. Soft, organic shapes are in. Rounded sofas, curved coffee tables, and oval dining tables are becoming increasingly popular, adding a playful yet sophisticated touch. Curves create a sense of fluidity and movement, making a space feel more inviting and comfortable. This trend reflects a desire for interiors that are both stylish and approachable, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. 1. How to try it. Not ready to replace your furniture? 1. Incorporate this trend through smaller accents. 1. Look for rounded mirrors, curved vases, or sculptural decor to soften the edges of your space. 6. Texture talk. Textured walls and plaster finishes. Walls are getting a makeover. Textured finishes like plaster, lime wash, and even fabric-covered walls are making a comeback. These materials add depth and sophistication, creating a more dynamic and engaging environment. Textured walls break away from the typical flat-painted surfaces, introducing visual interest and a tactile element that makes a room feel more refined and luxurious. 1. DIY-friendly option. Textured wallpaper is a budget-friendly way to add texture. 1. Faux plaster paint techniques are another affordable option for a DIY upgrade. 7. Smart and sustainable. Eco-conscious living. Sustainability is more than a trend, it's a responsibility. In 2025, homeowners are prioritizing eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient lighting, and smart home systems. As awareness of our environmental impact grows, we're making conscious choices to reduce our carbon footprint while maintaining a stylish and functional living space. Smart home technology, like energy-efficient thermostats and motion sensor lighting, helps us live more efficiently and sustainably. 1. Easy eco-friendly swaps. Switch to LED lighting, choose sustainable wood furniture, and incorporate recycled decor pieces. 1. Small changes can make a big difference. 8. Adaptable living. Multifunctional spaces. With more people working and studying from home, flexible spaces are essential. Think transformable furniture, hidden storage, and modular designs. A single room now serves multiple purposes: an office by day, a relaxing lounge by evening. This trend emphasizes making the most of available space by choosing furniture and layouts that adapt to different needs. 1. How to make it work. Use foldable desks, storage ottomans, or sliding doors to create multifunctional areas without sacrificing style. 9. Bold expression, maximalist patterns and colors. Minimalism is taking a back seat as bold patterns, bright colors, and layered textures make a comeback. Whether it's colorful wallpaper, patterned rugs, or vibrant upholstery, this trend is all about expressing personality. The key to maximalism is balance, mixing colors, prints, and textures without overwhelming the space. It's about curating a space that feels full of life and creativity. 1. How to try it. Start small with patterned cushions, colorful artwork, or a statement rug to see how it fits your style. 10. Nature's touch. Biophilic design, nature-inspired interiors continue to thrive. Lots of greenery, natural materials, and organic textures create a fresh and serene atmosphere. Adding plants, wooden elements, and stone finishes can make your home feel more connected to nature. This trend is about enhancing well-being and promoting a sense of calm. 1. Easy ways to try it. Decorate with real or faux plants, rattan furniture, and stone or clay vases. Final thoughts, and there you have it. The top 10 designer-approved home trends for 2025. Whether you're planning a small refresh or a major renovation, these trends will keep your space stylish, functional, and fresh. Which trend is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.